वेलकम बैक टू रश विद जलाल ऑन रेडियो सुसंगम 94.7 एफएम। अभी 5:05 हो गए। लाइक आई सेड, तो मेरा शो जो है 6 बजे तक चलेगा, तो आपने जाना कहीं नहीं, सुनते रहिए रश विद जलाल ऑन रेडियो सुसंगम 94.7 एफएम। मैंने फेसबुक पे पोस्ट किया था कि आज हमारे पास जो है दो जो है गेस्ट भी आने वाले हैं, प्लस हम जो है गाना भी बजाएंगे, तो आपने जाना कहीं नहीं है, कीप लिसनिंग। एक जो है नई ऐप आई है, उसका नाम है माजा। वो माजा क्या करती है कि जितने भी हलाल रेस्टोरेंट हैं वो जो है, तो फिर आप मुझे कैलगरी में आपका जो है गूगल पे आपको मिल जाएंगे। तो तो ये जो ग्रुप है या तो फेसबुक पेज है या तो ये ऐप है, वो किसने बनाया है और ये इसको किसने डिज़ाइन किया है, तो इसके जो दो हमारे फ्रेंड्स है, एक का नाम है फाजल खान, हेलो, और इनका नाम है उस्मान कोकर साहब।
Hello, everybody.
उस्मान भाई एंड फाजिल, क्या हाल है आपका?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Thank you so much for coming in on like on a short notice.
Oh no, thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, so before we talk about the Maza, how do you say that?
Maza, like Maza.
It's Maza, but spelled
Maza, yeah.
M-A-A-Z-A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Maza. So like before we talk about the Maza, so अब थोड़ा introduction हो जाए आपका, कि आप लोग क्या करते हो, what do you guys do for a living?
I'm an accountant by practice, and
And I'm an engineer.
Engineer, mashallah, wow. See, now we have a two professional here. एक accountant है और एक engineer है, और now they basically create जो है जो है यानी कि an app, कि ये app क्या करती है, मज़ा क्या है, तो like what is मज़ा?
well, Maza, first of all, I want to just clarify, it's not an app.
Okay,
it's actually it's a Google map that we designed.
Google Maps, so that's what I was
Yeah.
looking for.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a Google map that we designed to show you all of the halal options / restaurants in the city of Calgary and area.
Mhm.
We have it on.
Yeah.
We have it on. We have it in Google, and Usman is the one who designed it, and he can tell you how he designed it and all of that details.
Yes, Usman, go ahead.
Sure. Yeah. So I mean, Fuzzle over here, he's always had a passion for, curating
Right.
what's to eat in and around Calgary.
Yes.
And then I've got a background in actually geomatics engineering. So
Okay, mashallah,
I
okay.
studied a lot about mapping and spatial data and things like that.
Uh-huh.
So together we decided to take this passion project to the
Uh-huh.
next level.
Yeah.
So I designed the fundamentals, and I put everything together for a map, and then passed it back to Fuzzle to start filling it out and putting all his data and information in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when we first started off, it was
Yeah.
just more of a kind of a fun thing to do with two of us, like the two of
Yeah,
us,
yeah.
and we had no idea that it would take off the way it did.
Yes.
I just first wanted to add in a few restaurants, and then I was starting to think about it that Fuzzle, I'm really limiting myself by just putting just a few options in the city
Right.
that are halal. Why not I just put everything? So I put almost every Northeast halal restaurant that I could think of all over the city.
Mhm.
We announced it and promoted it on Tuesday night, which was the night before Eid.
Okay.
And then the next day,
Mhm.
CBC News reached out to us. We did an interview with them.
Okay.
And
Wow. Okay.
yeah, they're not as cool as you are.
Okay.
But
Okay. एक बार फिर से repeat करना, क्या कहा अभी आपने?
I said they're not as cool as you.
I like that. Okay.
But so that's the reason why it just took off from there, and people just kept messaging and calling me and Usman, and
Yeah.
we're really grateful to everybody, and then we are
Wow.
now here with
Yeah.
you.
So we are the second media. Like,
Yeah.
Wow.
But
we are-
you're
like,
much better.
like I'm the best. Anyways.
Yeah, you're the best. You're the best. We'll just say that. We'll just keep it at that. Yeah.
So guys, like if I remember when I came to Canada,
Mhm.
it was 34 years ago.
Mhm.
यहाँ पर एक रेस्टोरेंट हुआ करता था, या तो एक वो भी मुश्किल से मिलता, कभी वो क्या 6 बजे बंद हो जाए, 7 बजे बंद हो जाए.
Yeah.
Now, of course, जो हमारी community, mashallah, it's grown up like so
yeah.
much now.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
So many. Now, I think we need more restaurant, more and more we need it. वो जितने भी हैं वो भी कम पड़ते हैं. I think it's a great idea.
Thank you.
Start now. So why did you guys think 5 years ago, or like 7 years ago? क्या difference? Like what made a difference now?
I think I think this is the reason why Usman made the map in the first place, because he said to me, he said, Fazal, yes, all of the
Yes.
restaurants and halal options in the city, but it's getting bigger and bigger than just you.
Yes.
We cannot just keep asking you, Fuzzle, that, oh, what is this place? What is that place? So it was the Swans idea who said, hey, let's just make a Google map.
Mhm.
Let's go from there. Just send it to family and friends.
Right.
And that's really the kind of the birth of the idea, right? That the city is getting much bigger. Our
Yes.
Muslim population and people in general who just want to eat halal and get into halal cuisine has just exponentialized so much. It's, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And the feedback and response has just been phenomenal. And
Mhm.
it's clear. I mean, I think Fuzzle and I both knew the demand was always there.
Always there, yes.
But this just confirmed that, and within 24 hours of launching the app, we had over 2,500 clicks on it already.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah,
Yeah, so अभी जो हमारा ग्रुप है पाकिस्तानी जो पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी का जो ग्रुप है अपना जो Facebook page.
yeah,
Now you see a lot of posts are coming up with the restaurant, especially
Yeah.
during the month of Ramadan. कि हम हलाल कहाँ मिलता है, कहाँ खाने जाए, इफ्तारी क्या क्या. I think this is a great idea, right?
Oh,
Bang
thank you,
on
yeah.
it.
yeah.
And खाली ऐसा नहीं कि हम जो हैं halal we eat only in the month of Ramadan. No, we eat all year long, right? Basically. Wow. So let's say if अगर किसी को restaurant ढूंढना वो क्या करे?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like what do they do? What
So they, Swan, you can go ahead.
Yeah.
So in the past, a lot of that was tribal knowledge, and if you were involved in the community, or if you knew the certain people, you could ask around.
Right.
But other than that, you're really out of luck.
Yeah.
You can do a few quick Google searches, but usually you just find your own Southeast Asian restaurants.
Right.
And I was lucky enough to know Fuzzle,
Yeah.
and it's funny because I was one of the people who used to message him all the time. Hey, any new restaurants, this and that. So
Yeah.
yeah.
But to find us and to find this map in particularly, we made some social media account. It's called Maza Map or Maza Halal Map.
Yeah.
You can find us on Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah.
And that's about it really.
So let's say, अगर मुझे किसी जो restaurant में जाना, what do I do? I go on your website or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can
Okay, what's the process? What I mean?
just either look up Maza Food Map on Facebook
Mhm.
or Instagram,
Yeah.
and then there's a link directly to the Google Map.
Okay.
And then when you click on that
Yeah.
link, it'll actually pull up all of the restaurants on your phone and Google Maps.
Yeah.
And then you can just click on it, and then
And just you click on it and give you the direction from
yeah,
there.
and then
Yeah.
you can see the restaurant name, you can see the
Oh.
reviews, everything, because it's integrated in your regular Google Maps.
Right.
Mhm.
And then you can navigate it, and it just links you directly there.
Oh.
Yeah.
And Fuzzle did a great job. He organized it into different categories,
Right.
and there's different icons, and
Yeah.
it's really easy because you can see what's close to you.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, and so I'm trying to make it so that people can understand that how everyone has a Google Map on their phone,
Yes.
the app.
Yeah.
You basically open that up, and with our link, you integrate it into there. And let's say we're right here in Fairchild Radio.
Right.
So right now, you open it, the blue circle is gonna appear. That's your actual location.
Location.
It will show us the nearest halal restaurant that's closest to you.
Oh.
That's the whole idea, and then you can pick whichever one you want to choose.
So you just click on it.
Click on it,
and
the
here you go.
directions.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
What else? It's going to अभी आजकल तो फोन जो है सबके पास है.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
किसके पास फोन नहीं है इसका मतलब कि they are out of fashion. But but no, I think this is great idea. So अभी जैसे I'm sure कि I think just for the future कि जैसे because you are putting जो है all the restaurant names and everything in there.
Mm-hmm.
So are you going to charge restaurant क्या I'm putting your name in there?
Well,
अगर आपको पैसे मिले तो उसमें मेरा कुछ रख लेना.
yeah, that's
Right?
long-term thinking. Well, right now we kind of look at it as kind of community service.
Yes, as community service.
We love to support the community.
Yes.
And especially in Calgary, we're blessed. We have
Yeah.
such a vibrant community.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And especially in this post-COVID world where small businesses took a hit,
Yeah.
we really look at this as a way to support and promote small businesses. So
Mhm.
Yeah.
right now it's more of a passion project, and
Right.
it's spreading awareness
Yeah.
and you know, helping the community move forward.
Yeah. And you know, charging restaurants and stuff like that. I don't think we'll be doing that anytime soon. But we don't know what's going to happen for the future. We don't know if we're going to develop a website or an app or anything right now. Right now, it's just a Google map, and we're just trying to get people aware of what they can eat closer to them and for them to enjoy. And
नहीं खाली उन्हें तो अपना जो भी रेस्टोरेंट जो हो अपना जिनको फायदा हो रहा है उसे कहते हैं कि हमारे मीडिया के लोग आएंगे जलाल उनसे कुछ चार्ज नहीं करना. That's all I need. Yeah. We don't need anything else from them. Yeah. अच्छा यहाँ पे अपना एक जो है अपना क्वेश्चन आया from the Shamila Burhan.
Yeah.
आप जानते हैं उनको?
Yeah, that's my mom.
Your mom. तो उन्होंने कहा कि would appreciate if you give little bit demo guys on the like on the
Oh,
screen.
I demo. Yeah. Okay, so we can just pull our phone out.
Yes, please
and
do
we can
that.
Show you.
Yes, so by the time I can say that you are listening to Rush Hour with Jalal on Radio Sangam 94.7 FM. मेरे साथ है फजल खान and उस्मान कोकर और जिन्होंने एक सुपर डुपर ऐप not the app लेकिन जो है मैप बनाया गूगल मैप बनाया for the halal food and halal food restaurant के लिए. तो अगर आपने डिनर के लिए लंच के लिए आपने कहीं भी जाना है वीकेंड हो वीकडे हो वीक नाइट हो सो आई थिंक दिस इज द वे टू गो. यू डोंट हैव टू लुक फॉर एनीथिंग. आप जस्ट खाली उनके जो लिंक है वहाँ पे जाएं एंड देन यू विल सी एवरीथिंग ऑन योर गूगल मैप पे कि आपने कहाँ जाना है. जी फजल.
Yes. So what I was showing is that see here that I don't think if the guest can see it, but I have in my Google Maps here. This is it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I have in the Google Maps here. This is my account. So this is my location right now. And I can go into here, and right now I can go into saved because I have it saved and maps. Right. And then Mazza Halal Map YYC.
Yeah.
I press right there, and this is shows you all the locations. See now, Jalal Bhai can see everything.
Yes.
So this is. See this blue Jalal Bhai? That's us.
Okay, that's our location.
That's our location right now.
Yes.
So I zoom in into here, and then I go at the very right, the closest. I don't want to name names. Which
please
restaurant?
go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there's Petra Shawarma, which is the closest to us right now. They're halal. They have some options. And then right here is Boardwalk. They're a local restaurant. They're close by too. And then it's either delis or some shawarma. I'm naming these restaurants as just, you know, to give an example.
Exactly. Like, you know, speaking of Jewish shawarma, this afternoon I went to shawarma place.
Yeah.
Like I was in a Mahogany area. Kind of tahini.
Yes.
Oh my God. I had that wrap, like shawarma wrap, chicken. Super. First time मैंने खाया. अरे इतना उन्होंने पोस्ट करके दिया crispy बना के दिया था. Oh my God. Amazing guys. This is the for your next. आप जाएं कोई भी shawarma place, get their wrap. Oh super. बहुत मजा आया खाने में आज. It was halal as well.
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah.
They're a very big chain from Toronto.
Yes.
Yeah.
वाह तो आपने देखा कि कितना easy है कि आप जो है Google Map पे जाएं जहाँ आपकी लोकेशन होगी आप उसको सेव कर लें फिर then you just go कहाँ जाए वहाँ से next step?
Next step, you can save it onto your Google Map, and then you can find it into there, and you'll find the nearest halal restaurant.
Go on Mazza.
But Mazza social media, Facebook page, and our Instagram, you'll find the link. We have a link tree set up, and through the link tree, you'll find the Google Map. It's listed right there. Yeah. That's how you'll be able to find it.
Right. So, of course, you are listening to Rush Hour with Jalal on Radio Sangam 94.7 FM. तो लेते हैं एक गाना सुनते हैं ये जो फजल खान गाने वाले गाना आज अच्छा फजल गाना गा रहे नहीं गा रहे हो आज?
No, not today. Maybe next time when I come in, when I have my singing voice, then I'll kind of get into the spirit. Yeah.
चलो एक गाना सुनते हैं हम बेवफा हरगिज न होते. Here we go, super duper song. Guess what मैंने इसका ये जो है इंस्ट्रूमेंटल मैंने लगा दिया. इंस्ट्रूमेंटल तो हमें नहीं चाहिए राइट. आई वांट टू गो समथिंग एल्स. तो लीजिए वैलेंटाइन का एक जो मेरा सुपर डुपर सॉन्ग था हम यही सुन लेते हैं फ्रॉम द मूवी. कौन सी मूवी है ये? कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Thank you so much guys for watching and your comment. अगर आपने कोई भी comment हो, you can write it down. कुछ सवाल हो, please do go for it. ठीक है सोफा?
Yeah.
So we'll have a 5 more minutes.
Okay.
We go on social capture.
Sure.
Yeah.
I want to talk about how there's different categories, and there's like how there's fine dining, there's burgers, fried chicken, barbecue. So I want to talk about
Yeah,
that.
sure. Yeah, sure. Right.
Yeah,
Like there's different
Yeah, we'll play half of the
categories.
song. Don't worry. We'll play half of the song.
What do you think?
Yep.
To let people know that there's different categories. Fried chicken. Great. I think it was like 8. Above 8,000. Let's see. Oh, it actually, yeah. It'll definitely be around, I think by the end of the night, by 95, maybe gets up to 10. Maybe tonight.
One of my favorite movie, कभी अलविदा न कहना, और ये आवाज है yes everyone's favorite सोनू निगम साहब की, और वो जो म्यूजिक दिया हुआ है एहसान लोई साहब ने. तो अभी हम ये जो जैसे गाना खत्म होगा विल लेट यू मोर कि अपना और क्या इसमें जो है कैटेगरीज हैं क्या होगा. तो आई थिंक जो फजल भाई विल गिव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स अगेन. जस्ट वेट फॉर जो कपल मिनट्स जब तक गाना थोड़ा हाफ पे हो जाए देन वी कैन स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. ब्यूटीफुल ट्रैक फ्रॉम द मूवी कभी अलविदा अन्ना कहना. सो यार अपना जो मेरे साथ है फजल एंड उस्मान, उन्होंने जो है गूगल मैप बनाया है फॉर द हलाल फूड एंड हलाल जो है रेस्टोरेंट के लिए. खाली उनका जो लिंक है आपको जो है आपकी जो लोकेशन है यू गो ऑन गूगल मैप, आपकी लोकेशन सेव कीजिए देन यू जस्ट जो है क्लिक ऑन हलाल मज़ा लिंक है और वो आपको सारी डिटेल्स दे देगा कि आज कि अपना आप जो है कहीं भी हैं तो आपके पास जो है कौन से रेस्टोरेंट अराउंड हैं आपके, कौन से हलाल रेस्टोरेंट या or you can go and get your shawarma as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
Fazal?
And you know, there's not just like shawarmas. There's also different. What we made in the map was made different categories. So there's steakhouses. There's North American food like barbecue. There's actually speaking of barbecue, there's I think a new restaurant downtown that people don't know about that much. It's called Dickie's Barbecue.
Yeah.
It's Texas barbecue. They're there too. There's many
Oh,
different.
they were halal?
Yeah, they're halal, fully
Wow.
halal restaurant. Yeah,
Okay.
and then so there's also we have a list for burgers, fried chicken, peri chicken. I know our South Asian we
Yes,
love
yes.
peri style chicken. So
Yeah.
we have different categories and we try to make it like that.
Yeah. Usman?
Yeah, no, it's once we had that map set up, and then Fuzzle started adding so much data.
Yeah.
It was hard to keep track, and
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know.
You
It's
know.
growing, yeah.
it's
Yeah.
growing. And I think right now we're considering why not let's add all the grocery stores too.
Yes,
Because
of course, superstores, if you can get all the halal food as
everywhere
well,
you can
right?
get halal food, yeah. Because
Yeah.
sometimes you're not in the mood to go to a restaurant, but you want to cook something up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And then also there's a difficulty of that is a lot of people I've seen in different Facebook groups.
Yeah.
They've always asked where can you get. People don't know that much, but there's kind of a slight word of mouth
Yeah.
that can I get chicken at Walmart is
Yes,
halal,
yeah, yeah.
and there is certain Walmarts that have halal
Yeah,
chicken or
they
halal
do,
beef,
yeah.
but people don't know that much. So we're thinking of adding different locations where people can really pinpoint that yes, this Walmart at that area it will have
Oh,
halal
will have
chicken.
halal
Yeah, so
chicken.
we're gonna start to do this, and also we're not
Superb.
gonna miss out on our local Muslim halal grocery stores that are providing in the Northeast and everywhere. We want to support them as well.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And we're even getting you know, feedback and demand from other cities in Canada
Is that right?
asking
Yes.
for the same service. So
मुझे आप आपका मीडिया बना लो मीडिया Okay, yeah, talk to Jalal, my media guy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. Yeah,
there we
yeah.
go.
Oh, yeah.
Right,
Oh,
right.
yeah. We'll definitely do that. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
set that
definitely.
up.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Make sure everyone goes through you first.
You know, हम जो पहले बात कर रहे थे कि अपना we should charge restaurant अगर वो आपके तो यहाँ पे आया कमेंट है you should charge restaurant हाँ हाँ तो ये जो अर्गमान सैयद साहब जो भी हैं
Oh, yeah, yeah.
yeah he agreed with me here we go I know
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
see so जहाँ भी फायर है वहाँ पे स्मोक तो होगा
हाँ जी।
Yeah.
so that's what it is जहाँ पे बारबेक्यू वहाँ पे हमारे बुरहान खान साहब भी होंगे
Oh,
बुरहान
yeah.
खान इनके डैड है he is my best chef
Oh, yeah, yeah.
वो
Yeah.
जब भी I know he posts his videos all the time and I
Mhm.
think it's just super to see him all the time.
Thank you.
Okay, any details you want to add on?
Usman, is there anything you remember? I think that's basically kind of we covered it.
That's yeah.
You know,
that's
like
about
I
it.
would say just my suggestion. I know once you grow, यहाँ से इंशाल्लाह आपका अच्छा ही होने वाला है.
Inshallah.
Hopefully you can have your own app.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you click on app, वो आपकी location जो है locate कर लेगा and
Absolutely.
that's it.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're.
It's, right now we're just, you know, a team of two passionate.
Oh yeah,
guys.
of course.
Yeah.
But even
Oh, team of three, remember? Media guy.
Oh,
this
yeah,
was
sorry.
Team
Oh,
of
yeah.
three, officially a team of three.
Three,
now.
yeah,
Yeah, there we
exactly.
go.
And yeah, no, absolutely. We went just from a simple link
Yeah.
to a branded thing, and yeah, you know, app and website, and
This is the future, basically,
might
right?
be there.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, now that we have an extra body, we might.
Oh,
be
yeah.
able to,
There
Now
you
we
go.
have
Yeah.
Jalal in our corner.
You
now.
do the basic work. I'll do the promotions. Here.
Oh, there you go. There
You don't need,
That's
you don't
it,
need
yeah.
anyone. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
So one I think thing we want to just remember everyone
Please.
is that you can go on our social media. It's called Maza MAAZA Halal Map. It's on Facebook and Instagram. Just search it, and you'll see in our bio. You'll see the link. It's a link tree. It'll say Halal Google Map, and you click on it, and there you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
Super duper. Thank you so much, Fazal.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
it,
much.
Usman. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best. And when you take a next step, जो भी next step हो,
Yeah.
please come and see us again.
Oh, we
Absolutely.
would
We'd love to have you back again. I think it's going to be again. We'll have a 1 hour. We'll take calls as well from the people.
Good.
And I think people are taking interest right now. I think we should stick with it.
Sure.
Okay.
ठीक है
Thank
तो
you.
ये था आज का रशा विद जलाल ऑन रेडियो सुसंगम 94.7 FM मेरे गेस्ट है फजल खान एंड उस्मान कोकर फ्रॉम द माजा जो फेसबुक पेज एंड जो है गूगल मैप्स है तो इंशाल्लाह आई विल सी यू टुमारो 5 to 6 p.m. अभी भी चलो यू नो आई विल प्ले वन मोर सॉन्ग जस्ट हाफ अ सॉन्ग तो इंशाल्लाह आई विल सी यू टुमारो 5 o'clock ट्यूसडे शो इंशाल्लाह विल हैव probably any जो है सेलिब्रिटी का गेस्ट होगा वी विल सेलिब्रेट जो है अपने वी विल सेलिब्रेट द बर्थडे but until then खुदा हाफिज़ सत श्री अकाल आदाब या अली मदद then I'll put one more song here we go I'll talk to you tomorrow अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा and I'll love you all thank you so much
Thank you. Bye.